Imagine hitting the open road. Not in a car, not in a van, but on a futuristic tricycle that doubles as your entire home. Welcome to the world of the 2026 Camper Tricycle RV, a three-wheeled revolution in mobile living that looks like it was dropped straight out of a sci-fi movie and built for real-world adventure. It's not just a vehicle. It's freedom on three wheels. The sleek aerodynamic body is unlike anything you've seen before. Smooth curves, digital surfaces, and a minimalist exterior that's hiding some mind-blowing tech underneath. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know this isn't just transportation, it's a statement. The front is dominated by a single LED matrix headlight that stretches wide like a smile, giving the RV a friendly, futuristic face. The tricycle configuration includes two large rear wheels for stability and a single oversized front wheel, which handles steering and propulsion with a hub-mount electric motor that's whisper quiet and shockingly powerful. This thing glides like a dream. But let's talk about what makes this camper trike so special. It's not just for getting from point A to point B. It's about what you experience in between. The chassis is built from ultralight carbon fiber composites, keeping it incredibly strong but ridiculously light. And that means it doesn't need a massive battery to power it. Just a sleek underfloor battery pack and integrated solar panels across the roof that keep it charged on the go. When you park it and transform it into camping mode, oh, now we're talking magic. At the push of a button, the sides expand outward like wings, doubling the internal living space. Transparent smart panels turn opaque for privacy or can project scenic visuals, from a sunset on Mars to a rainforest waterfall. You choose your view. Step inside, and you're greeted by an ultra-modern interior that feels more like a boutique capsule hotel than a camper. There's a compact yet luxurious sleeping pod at the rear, fitted with memory foam, ambient lighting, and a retractable skylight. Imagine stargazing from bed. Yup, it's built for that. On the side, there's a modular kitchenette with an induction stove, fold-out sink, and a tiny smart fridge that actually suggests recipes based on what's inside. Storage? It's hidden everywhere, under the floor, inside the walls, even in the hollowed-out seat backs. You'll be surprised at how much you can pack into this thing without feeling cramped. And yes, there's a bathroom, a futuristic one, a fold-out shower system with a recirculating water feature, an eco-to-toilet that self-sanitizes, and a vanity mirror that also acts as a digital assistant, giving you weather updates, travel tips, or even guiding you through morning yoga. Everything is voice-controlled or managed through the onboard AI. You want to drive to the nearest lake with the best sunrise view? Just ask. Want the lights to dim, temperature to adjust, and music to play your road trip chill playlist? It's done in seconds. Even the driving experience is pure innovation. The Trike's self-balancing tech keeps it stable even on rough terrain. You feel every curve of the road, but never out of control. It's like riding a bike made by NASA, with comfort that rivals a high-end EV. The seat itself is a work of art. It's adjustable in every direction, made from breathable material that adapts to your body temperature. And the handlebars? They're minimal but packed with smart touch controls, cruise control, climate, GPS, all at your fingertips. And did I mention this Trike RV can go places no van or trailer ever could? Forest trails, narrow mountain paths, remote beaches. It thrives where others tap out. You can literally wake up in the heart of nature, away from noise, away from traffic, and away from Wi-Fi if you want. But if you're the digital nomad type, don't worry. It's got high-speed satellite internet built in. One of the wildest features? The pop-up drone station. Stored beneath the rear panel is a compact drone bay. Press a button and out comes a travel drone that can scout the area, shoot cinematic footage of your journey, or even deliver small packages from partnered rest stops. You're not just exploring, you're documenting, sharing, and experiencing every second like never before. Safety? Top tier. The body includes an active defense bubble that uses radar and LiDAR to anticipate and avoid collisions. There's also an emergency beacon system that alerts nearby stations if anything goes wrong, even if you're totally off-grid. Range anxiety? Forget it. This Trike RV can run up to 400 miles on a single charge, and with regenerative braking plus the solar panels, you're barely ever going to hit zero. And when you do need to charge, the ultra-fast 800V system can bring it back to 80% in just under 20 minutes. Now, let's say you park in a city. Yup, it fits. It's not much wider than a large scooter when collapsed, and the rear module can even detach to act as a walk-behind mini camper pod, kind of like a robotic suitcase, perfect for festivals, campgrounds, or remote work pop-ups. And don't get me started on the customizations. Whether you're a solo traveler, a digital creator, a couple chasing sunsets, or someone who just wants to live tiny but live large, this Trike has options. Custom paint schemes, upgraded interiors, extended range batteries, even augmented reality windshields that show star constellations at night while you ride. The future is not only here, it's yours to design.